Welcome to math. Let's start by warming up our brains with solving some number problems, using our number grid. So everybody get out your number grid and your marker. All right, so the first problem is start at 40 and count up 6. So circle 40 and you're going to count up 6. Remember, you have to go in order of the numbers. So 40, you have to count each hop. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So you should land it on 46. Nice job. Again, this is just practice. Start at 46. So circle 46 again. Count up 20 spaces. Now, there's a trick to this one. Counting up 20 spaces is counting up by tens. So you could count 20 spaces. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. So your answer is 66. Or you could have went right down the column. So 46, so 10, 20, and you would have landed there quicker. Okay, perfect. Either way is correct, as long as you landed on 66. Start at 80, count back 40. So remember, counting back, your number's going to get smaller. Start at 80, count back 40. So you could count back by ones again, or you could count back by tens. Counting back by tens is quicker. You're at 80, 10, 20, 30, 40. Which do we answer? 40. Nice work. Okay, now let's move on to our math message. So today's math message, which will be an activity in Seesaw. 3 children used their pencils to measure the same thing. Why might they get different answers? Record your idea. So they're measuring the same thing, but they're using their own pencil. Why might they get different answers? It doesn't say they do get different answers, but what if they got a different answer? What might be the cause? What might be the reason why they got different answers? So again, 3 children used their pencil to measure the same thing. Why might they get different answers? So they're measuring the same object using their own pencil. What could make their answers different? All right, so that'll be an activity after this lesson. So complete that. So today you're just going to continue practicing measuring. And today you're going to measure with a pencil. Okay, but on our workbook page, page 48, it asks us to use a new pencil. So hopefully you all have a new pencil. I'm going to hopefully make sure that you have a new pencil in your math toolkit so that you can do this activity. Okay. So draw pictures or write the names of 4 objects. Measure each object with a new pencil. So using a new pencil, this time you can't use any pencil. You have to use a new pencil because that's what it tells you to do. Record your answer. So I measured, so draw a picture or tell me what you measured and tell me about how many pencils long is it. You're going to do that 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 different objects you're going to either write or draw me a picture, and then you're going to measure with your pencil, and it has to be a new pencil, and then you're going to write down how many pencils long each object was. Again, you're picking 4 objects, so that's not very hard. So I'm going to continue on with our next 2 pages, but I want you to pause the video and do this page, and then when you're done, come back to me. All right. The next 2 pages, 49 and 50. So 49 is practicing comparing numbers. So circle the smaller number in each pair. So you're looking at the first 2 numbers, 14 and 23. I want you to circle the smallest number, 14 or 23. Then you're going to go down to the next 2 numbers, 27 or 32. You're circling the smaller number. So you're comparing these two numbers, and you're comparing these two numbers. Circle the larger numbers. Again, you're comparing the first two numbers, 79 and 66. Which one is larger? And then you're comparing 34 and 42. Which one is larger? Circle the smaller number in each pair. So you've got 14 and 13. Which one's smaller? 29 and 31. Which one's smaller? 18 and 22. Which one's smaller? Only circle. So you're circling one of these numbers. 14 or 13, 29, 31, 18 or 22. Okay, circle the larger number in each pair. So again, you're comparing 64 and 54. Which one's the larger number? Circle one of them, the larger one. 73 and 77. Circle one, the larger one. And 45 and 54. Comparing those two numbers. So write your numbers in order from smallest to largest. So here are your numbers. You're going to put the smallest number here, then the next bigger number, the next bigger number, the next bigger number, the next bigger number, and then the biggest number. Using these numbers only. Okay? It's not too hard. Okay? 50. Again, if you're not done, pause it and come back to me when you're done. So math boxes, use your number grid. Start at 3. How many more hops to get to 11? So you're starting at 3, counting your hops to get to 11. So you're writing how many hops did you take to get to 11. Draw the missing dots, fill in the number sentence. So blank plus 6 equals 14. So you have 6 here. You have to figure out what's missing here. Draw the dots, write the number down below. Blank plus 9 equals 13. So you have 9 here. How many dots are you missing? Draw the dots, write the number down here. Again, it's equaling 13. Make sums of 10 pennies. Okay, remember sum is just like total. So 3 and 7 equals 10. 6 plus what equals 10? What plus 8 equals 10, and then you make your own. Can't be one of these up here. It has to be a different one. You just did this not too many pages back. Again, it's like penny plate. It's a review. It's trying to help you remember your tens. What two numbers equal 10? Okay, it's a good skill to have. What two numbers equal 10? Freddie has 12 pencils. He gives 5 pencils to his friends. How many pencils does he have left? So he had 12. He gives 5 to his friends. How many does he have left? They did the same thing here. 12 minus 5 equals, so you're trying to figure out the unknown, which is right here. This is the unknown too. It's the same problem. So find out the unknown. Can you count up to solve? Yes or no? Okay, and that's it. So you have page 48, 49, and 50 to submit to Seesaw, as well as don't forget to do your math message. Have a great day.